As someone who has been entrenched in the video world for over 17 years, I have seen a lot of online videos. Today, I'm going to tell you my top 5 pet peeves, but I'm also going to tell you how to fix them, and that is coming up next. Hey, welcome back. It's Tracy with VideoScriptSuccess.com, where I help you take your brilliant but scattered ideas and turn them into marketing videos that convert. I need you to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you get all of my tips, tools, and tricks for making great online videos. Today, we're going to talk about my top 5 pet peeves when it comes to online videos. Now, I don't like to complain. It's not my normal sunny disposition. However, there are some things with online videos that just drive me crazy, and they're so easy to fix. So if you're doing one or all 5 of these, stop it. But if you're new to video, even better, because you can be uber kind to your audience by starting out the right way. Okay, let's dive in with pet peeve number 1, and that is rambling. Oh, nothing drives me more crazy than when a 30-minute video could have taken 10 minutes or a 10-minute video should have taken 3 minutes. Listen, if you are rambling on and you don't have a point and you're not adding value to your audience's lives, they will click away. Listen, to fix it, it's fairly easy. I am the video structure lady, so I want you to structure your video. I don't mean script it word for word, unless that's what you do. But you want to have a general outline of where you're starting, where you're going, how you're ending. That is kind to your audience, and it's how you avoid video vomit. So if you want your audience to stay, please structure your videos. Okay, pet peeve number 2 is your sound. Newsflash here, people. The farther away you are from your audio source, the worse your sound's going to be. So if you are not mic'd and you're in a crowded area, we hear the crowd. If you're not mic'd and you're outdoors and it's windy, we hear the wind. You really have to think about your sound because it's actually more important than how pretty your video is. No one is going to stick around if they can't hear you. You could have the best structured video that looks so pretty, but if people can't hear you or they're leaning in and they're trying to do it, they're going to click away. Now, this is an obvious fix. You know what I'm going to say? Use a mic. Even if you're shooting on your smartphone, I'm going to include my quick and dirty video tool guide for you, and there's a little link in there where you can find a smartphone lavalier for under $20. You're welcome. Make sure you have good sound. Okay, and my pet peeve number 3 is bad lighting. Listen, I get it. Lighting can be tricky, right? But I want you to think about this. If we can't see you, we can't connect with you. So I'm going to do a quick, simple fix, and that is think light on your face. Try and get as much light on your face as you possibly can. What I see a lot of people do is they make the mistake of plopping themselves down in front of a window with the window behind them and then they're backlit. So actually, if you just turned it around and made the light come on your face, you'd be a whole lot better. It doesn't have to be perfect, but light it up, Buttercup. I want to see your smiling face. And my 4th pet peeve is when people deliver their video like a lecture. Listen, video is a conversation, not a dissertation. You are not lecturing your audience. You are inviting them into the conversation to get to know you. So how do you fix it? Well, once you have your basic outline, you want to add conversational language. You wouldn't say cannot, you'd say can't. So use contractions. If you say y'all, I think that's awesome. Say y'all. I say gonna. That's okay. That's a conversation, right? You want people to join the conversation, ask some questions. And I'm not going to leave you hanging here. Again, in the description, you can find a cheat sheet for conversational language you can add to your own scripts. My last pet peeve, number 5, is no CTA, where people leave me hanging, wondering, what do I do next? Listen, if someone makes it all the way to the end of your video, keep that video love fest going. Give them something to do. I talked a lot about this last week in my video when I talked about the structure of a YouTube video, which you can go check out one of these places, wherever the little eye pops up. You can go check that video out, and I talk about your call to action and what you can do. You can ask people to comment. You can send them to another one of your videos like I just did, but you want to give them something to do. Okay, I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, I want you to hit the subscribe button and that notification bell, and I'll see you right here next week.